Hi, I'm Bootleg Jonny, and this is Bootleg Jonny's fireworks channel. I have some bootleg fireworks, and we're gonna set them off and let you guys know which bootleg fireworks to buy. As always, comment, like, subscribe. So these are my bootleg fireworks. We've got these Thunder Bomb crackers. It's a little bit racist, but okay. Ground Bloom. This is called the Sammy's Best. This is called Flim Flam. And then we got a Zip Zorp and Triangle Bomb. And that's all the fireworks. Do you have burglars in your house at Christmas? Light up one of these bad boys and put it in a pot and push it up to the cat flap, and then the burglars will think there's mafia in the house getting blown away. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. And a happy New Year. This one's called Crazy Robots. It's gonna make you see crazy robots all over the place. Light it up. 5th of July. Stand back. So I'd give that 7 sticks of dynamite out of 12 in terms of boombacity. Next up, Sammy's Best. Let's light off the bong. You can do it. Okay, here it goes. The dogs in the neighboring county give it 12 bangs out of 14. The Ground Bloom flower. It's small, but it packs a punch. Fire in the hole. Pretty good spin action. How about double your money, double your pleasure? Whoa, that was awesome. Comment, like, subscribe for more fireworks. Do you have a Roadrunner problem? Better get one of these. It's a Wile E. Coyote bomb. No writing, so you know it's good. Next up, we've got another big bang for you. Just like that terrible TV show. Hit the subscribe button for more bangs for your buck. This is the big one. Triangle Bomb. Invented in the late 1600s by Chinese fireworkologists. This blew a hole in the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China. Believe it, Mongols. That's all the fireworks we have for today. Keep tuned to your favorite fireworks channel for more fireworks for your anniversary. Comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you later.